Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to delete a site from Cloudflare. Perfect if you're moving to another service or just cleaning up your account. Start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard at dash.cloudflare.com. Once inside, you'll see a list of all your domains. Select the domain you want to remove and make sure you pick the right one. On the domain's overview page, scroll down until you find Advanced Actions. Here, click Remove Site from Cloudflare. A confirmation prompt will appear. Double-check you selected the correct domain, then confirm the removal. If you're on an enterprise plan and the option is unavailable, downgrade to the free plan first, then try again. Cloudflare keeps your configuration history for about 18 months, so if you add the site back later, your settings may still be available. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a site from Cloudflare. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides.